Hey everyone, so we are going to start a new playlist named as Generative AI for Beginners. We have a lot of things which we are going to cover in this particular playlist. So let's get started with the video lecture 1. So now we are kicking off the module 1 of an exciting agenda designed to set a strong foundation for understanding generative AI. Let me give you an overview of what we will dive in this particular lecture series, right? So first we will dive into the introduction of generative AI to set the stage. To grasp its full significance, we will take a step back and briefly explore the fundamentals of artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. These concepts are the building block of generative AI, and understanding them will help you appreciate its potential. Next, we will do a quick recap and dive deeper into generative AI, exploring its nuance. Finally, we will look at ChatGPT in action, uncovering why generative AI has become the buzzwords in every corner of the internet. From social media to corporate boardrooms, we will discuss its application and why it is revolutionizing industries today. So let's get started. So what is generative AI? The term generative AI is quite descriptive. It's combined generative and artificial intelligence, meaning we are leveraging AI to create or generate something new. Unlike traditional AI systems that analyze, predict or classify, generative AI takes things to the next level. It produces new content. Artificial intelligence itself is not a recent invention. It's been around for a decade, right? But powering a vast array of technology. Think about the personalized ads you see on your phone, Google Maps predicting your travel time, right? Or Tesla self-driving capabilities. These are all the examples of traditional AI system designed to analyze existing data and provide intelligent outputs, right? Generative AI, however, adds a creative dimension to the AI capabilities. It can produce entirely new content like writing an article or creating a digital painting, composing music, or even generating source code. So let's look at some real world example. So like you can see ChatGPT. So you can ask it to write an email, draft a poem, or explain a concept. The text it generates isn't received from a database, right? It's a freshly composed for you. DALL-E. So basically, this tool can generate stunning visuals from textual descriptions, right? For instance, you could ask it to create an image of a futuristic city or a playful kitchen wearing a bow tie. Similarly, GitHub Copilot. So this coding assistant generates snippets for code, helping developers save time and focus on more creative problem solving tasks. In all these cases, right, what's remarkable is that the content is not simply copied from a pre-existing source, right? It is generated in real time based on your input. So this ability to create something entirely new is what makes generative AI so groundbreaking. Now, to truly appreciate generative AI, let's revisit how it fit within the large AI ecosystem, right? Artificial intelligence. So basically, it's the overarching fields concerned with creating systems that mimic human intelligence, learning, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. Similarly, machine learning. So it's a subset of AI that focuses on training systems to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Similarly, deep learning, so it is a specialized branch of machine learning that uses artificial neural network to solve complex problems like image recognition, natural language processing, and many more, right? Generative AI build on these technology but shift the focus from analysis to creation, right? It applies AI analytics power to imagine and produce new data, where it's text, image, or other form of media. For instance, traditional AI might analyze a sentence to determine its sentiment, positive, negative, or neutral. Generative AI could take a single idea and expand it into a complex story, generating sentences that never existed before. And now we'll talk about the application of generative AI, right? So generative AI, it's not just theoretical, right? It's a transforming industries in real time. Here are some exciting application which we can see, right? So some of the exciting applications are nothing but content creation. So it can automate the generation of blog posts, video script, or marketing material. design and art, so producing unique design, animation, and artwork tailored to your specific needs, right? Similarly, in healthcare, it's like assisting in creating personalized treatment plans, synthesizing medical data, or even discovering new drugs. Education, so designing customized learning experience, generating practical questions, or simplifying complex concepts. So in case of entertainment, developing new gaming experience, crafting movie script, or composing original music scores, right? So what are the key takeaways which we can take it from here? So what sets basically generative AI apart, right? So unlike conventional AI, which primarily focusing on analyzing or predicting, generative AI focus on creating new data, whether it's text, image, audio, or video. Generative AI takes AI's capabilities to new heights, right? To sum up, generative AI is nothing but it's an expansion of traditional AI capabilities, focus on creating new content rather than analyzing existing data, and transforming industries by enabling creative, efficient, and innovative solutions. So what next we are expecting here? So this was just a teaser to help you get familiar with the concept of generative AI. But to fully grasp its potential, we need to understand the building blocks that make it possible, right? So basically artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. So in our next video, we will break these concepts down into simple terms and explore how they pave the way for generating AI, right? For generative AI. Once we have these fundamentals sorted, we will revisit generative AI to uncover more advanced details and insights. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for joining.